Scary story time. Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga is a East Slavic folklore witch. She lives in a magical hut that stands and moves on giant chicken legs, surrounded by a fence made of human bones and skulls, which only turns to face visitors with a magic phrase. She travels in a large mortar and uses a pestle to steer and uses a broom to sweep away her tracks. She is a complex figure, sometimes a child-eating monster or a wise elder who tests heroes with impossible tasks to prove their courage and wisdom, often magical gifts or guidance. A grotesque, disheveled old woman with a long-nosed iron teeth and a bony physique, sometimes with a leg of bone or clay. She lives deep in the forest. This is Baba Yaga. Even though I'm not Slavic, I still believe in her. Have a good day, stay safe.